Namaste Gurukulian. Hope all of you are fit and fine at your home in this pandemic. Today again we are here. Today we will do chapter first, planning in sports. It is of +2 class. It is the part 4 of this chapter, that is planning in sports. Planning, you know, group of idea, group of strategies, group of technique which we will apply in the program to complete our activity in streamline, or we can execute our program in proper way. In other words, easily one more definition we can say about planning. During the planning, the main concern is there on what to do, when to do, how to do. Okay, what to do, when to do, how to do. If we have knowledge about this what, when and how, so that is called planning. Okay, first part we complete that what is planning and the committees which are necessary for the planning or for any program. In second part we complete planning and its aims and objective, or with that about that 3 type of tournament: knockout, league or combination tournament. Last part we completed about these 3 type of tournament, that is league tournament, you know, single league, double league, to know about the number of matches. Or next one, knockout tournament, if any team lose the match, then it is that will eliminate from the tournament. Third one, combination having a 4 type: knockout come knockout, league come league, league come knockout, or knockout come league. It is the combination of league and knockout. So today we will do further part, that fixture. Here I will write, we will learn fixture, buys and halves, round, quarter. Fixture, how to make a fixture on knockout basis. Okay, buys, how can we know about the buys? How many buys we have to give if we have odd number of team? Odd means like not divide by 2. If teams are there in number of power, that power of 2, that there is no need to give buys. In power of 2 only. Half, how we will divide the teams in upper half, lower half. Even buys also, how we will divide the buys for the upper half, how many buys we have to give. For lower half, how many buys we have to give. Some formulas are there, about that formula we will do. Rounds, how we can know about the rounds, like how many rounds will be there in that tournament on the base of knockout one. Quarter, like you know, tournament that 4 quarter will be there. If you have seen last any about any tournament, World Cup, quarter, round, halves, buys, fixture. Fixture, at first we will do on the basis of knockout. We will take any that type of that number of teams, like 8, 9, 11, 15, 19, 17, anyone. At first we will know about the knockout basis, how to count number of match, how to count number of match in knockout tournament. there is a formula n minus 1, simple one. N stand for number of team. Number of team. Here I will give a very short example, like we have a 4 teams. According to this formula, n stand for teams. 4 minus 1 mean 3 matches. 3 matches will be there. If we make a fixture 1, 2, 3, 4, it is the first match in between 1 and 2. It is the second match between 3 and 4. Which team won in that first round? Here, like 2, 1 lose, 3, 4 lose, or it is the final 1, 2, 3. So, how many matches? 3 matches. It is the formula, simple one. But now we will make fixture. Fixture at first we will take 11 team. 11 team. 11 teams. Like in last 4 teams I written. Now again I will write about the 11 teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I write the number of teams we have. Now same process we will do. 1 play with 2, 3 play with 4, 5 play with 6, 7 play with 8, 9 play with 10. But what happened? 1 team is left. If there will be 12 teams, then we can conduct that tournament. But on that time also, if we have 12 team, a match condition will come where the tournament we cannot succeed. We will not conduct the tournament in proper way. Here 1 team is left. We will write 1 more. Suppose 11 or 12. Now next part. Here which will come out? Here 1 match, there 1 match they will play, 1 match they will play. Okay. Now after this match we got 3 team. So fixture is not complete. How we can conduct semi-final? How we can conduct a final? We don't know. So to remove these type of mistakes, to remove these type of things from the tournament, there is buys, or we have to divide that buys in halves. Teams we will divide in upper half, lower half. Same, how many buys we have? We have to divide in halves. Like how many buys we have to give in upper half, how many buys we have to give in lower half. So we have 11 team. To conduct the tournament in proper way, one thing we will do. At first I will tell you, when there is a odd number, total number of teams in odd number, like 11, 9, those are not in the number of power of 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. If not in this number, then it means we have to give buys to the team for conduct the tournament in proper way. We will do the fixture of 11 team. At first I will tell you about the buys. We have 11 number of team. So how we will count buys? Like we will check what is the next highest power of 2. From where? From 11. Means next highest power of 2, what is there? That is 16. 16. After 11, 16 is there. So buys, to check out the buys, formula is there. Next highest power of 2 minus total number of teams. It is the formula. So here what we will do, next highest power of 2 is 16 minus total number of team 11. What we got? 5. It means 5 buys we have to give to conduct the tournament of 11 team. 5 buys. Now one thing, buys we complete. But to give the buys for the particular team, we have to divide the teams in upper half and lower half. First formula we will do for upper half. Upper half, total number of team 11, n plus 1 divided by 2. N stand for number of team. Total number of team plus 1 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2, 6. Here I will write buys we have 5. Total team 11. Now for upper half, like teams in upper half, how many? 6 according to the formula. Each and every step we will do. Now for the lower half, in 2 half we have to divide. Upper half we did, 6 teams will go in upper half. Lower half, formula is there, n minus 1 divided by 2. So here total number of team 11, n stand for the total number of team, minus 1 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2, 5 teams. Now teams in lower half 5. Total 6, 5, 11. How many team we have? 11. Now for lower half 5 teams. Now there is a main thing, buys. How we have to give buys? How we have to divide buys for upper half and lower half? There is also a formula. Buys for upper half. Little bit difference is there in this formula. From that divide the teams in half. Here one word will be there, NB minus 1 divided by 2. That NB stand for number of buys. Number of buys. How many number of byes we have? Total number of byes 5. 5 minus 1 divided by 2. So 2 byes. Where? In upper half. Byes in upper half. How many? 2 byes. Now we will do byes for lower half. Only that plus minus difference is there, like we divide the teams in upper half, there n plus 1, here byes for upper half nb minus 1, only this much is the difference. If we will read or learn the things properly, then it is easy for us. Now byes for lower half. Here is the formula, nb plus 1 divided by 2. NB stand for the total number of byes, 5 plus 1 divided by 2, 3 byes. Now byes in lower half, how many? 3 byes. 3 or 2, 5, total number of by 5, 6 or 5, 11 teams. So till here we complete about the division of halves, how to divide the byes, how many byes are required. Now we will make a fixture. We will write the teams. Number of teams 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Teams in upper half 6. So we will divide this. It is our upper half. Teams in lower half 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is our lower half. Byes in upper half 2. Byes in lower half 3. One thing always keep in your mind, whenever we are going to give byes to the teams, we will start from the lower team of the lower half. Means 5 byes we have, we divide 2 byes in upper half, 3 byes in lower half. It is the conclusion we got through formula. So here we will write first by. First by we given to the 11th team, or second by always we will give to the first team of the upper half. First team. So here second by given to the first team of the upper half. Now third by we will divide to the first team of lower half. Third by. Fourth by we will give, always the same pattern we will follow. This thing keep in your mind. Fourth by we will give to the lower team of the upper half, lower one. Here fourth by. Now same pattern we will follow. Sixth by we will give here, second last team of the lower half, that is fifth by. Okay, it is that pattern, that how to give byes in upper half, lower half. First by always we will give to the lowest team of lower half. Second by always we will give to the first team of upper half. Third by always we will give to the first team of lower half. Fourth by always we will give to the lowest team of upper half. If byes will be there, like according to the team, if 19 teams will be there, then next highest power of 2 will be 32. 32 minus 19 and 13 by will be there. So this pattern we will follow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Okay. So we have to draw a fixture. Byes mean they will not play in first round. Directly they will go, they will play for second round. So here in first round, first round. Match will be there 2 or 3, 4 or 5, 8 or 9. Now second round. Second round, the team which will win here 2 or 3, it will play with the 1, or which will win from 4 and 5, it will play with the 6th one. Here 8 or 9, which will win from 8 or 9, it will play with the 7th one, or they both team will play the match in second round here. Okay, now next match, this one, it is second round. Now it is third round, or here final will be there. Okay, so it is the pattern we will follow. Winner we will declare through this method. Boys, we have to learn the thing properly, how to divide the teams in upper half, lower half, how to count the buys, how many buys we are required for the tournament. It is depend on the number of teams. Second highest power of 2, we will minus the teams from second highest power of 2, or then we will get the buys, how many buys are required for the tournament. Then we will make that fixture. Here one thing I write, rounds. How to know about the rounds? One thing we did, when we give the buys, next highest power of 2, what we got? 16. So we got 16. How many 2 we multiplied? Then we got 16. That we have to count. Like next highest power of 2, we got 16. 2 multiply 2, then we got 16. Okay, 2, 4, 8, 16. So we will count these 2. 1, first 2, second one, third one, fourth one. So how many? 4. It means 4 round will be there. Easiest method to count the rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? Like if there will be 19 teams, okay, so next highest power of 2 will be 32. So for the 19 teams we draw the fixture. If we draw the fixture, then how to get knowledge about the rounds, how many rounds will be there in the tournament. So how many 2 we multiply, then we get 32, 2, 2, 2, 2. Then we get 32. 4, 8, 16, 32. We will count this also. 1, 1, 1, 1, 5. It means 5 round. Got my point? So it is the method. Or in 19 teams, 32 minus 19, 13 buy will be there. 13 buys we have to give to the upper half, lower half, to the teams for conduct the tournament. Now we will do about the quarters. How to divide quarter? Whenever we got the number of teams, suppose there is 16 teams. Okay, what we will do? We will divide the total number of teams by 4. If there is a 16 team, it means 4 teams in each quarter. We will draw that 16 teams first quarter, second, third, fourth. 16 team, 4, 4, 4, 4. Suppose if we will have 15 team, then what we will do? Rest of will be 4, 4, 4. Here we will add 1. If we got sorry 17 team, very sorry, 17 team. So 4, 4, 4, 4, 16, 1 left. If we divide 17 with 4, so that one we will add here. If 18, then we left 2. So again like this, 1 we will add here, 1 we will add here. Like this we will continue this formula to divide the teams in quarters. Okay, if 17 will be there, 1, if 18 will be there, 4, 4, 4, 4. To add that team extra, how many we left? 2 teams we left. We will add 1 here, we will add 1 here. Okay, in condition of 19, how many we will left? 3. So 4, 4, 4, 4. We will add 1 team here in this quarter, 1 team here, or 1 team here. Next, 20 will come. If we divide that 20 with 4, then 5 team in each quarter. This type of formula we will follow. One more thing we will do, that more number of teams if will be there, then how to divide in quarters. Suppose 28 team we have. 28. Divide by 4. 7. It means 7 team here, 7 here, 7 here, 7 here. If we have 29. We got 1, so we will do 7, 7, 7, 7. We will add 1 team here. If we got 30, then we left 2 here. Okay, if here 30, so we will do divide 7, 7, 7, 7. We will add 1 team here, 1 team here. If 31, then we will add 1 here. 32, 4 multiply with 8 we will got 8 teams will be there in each half. So like this we will divide the teams in quarter. But the important question is that fixture on the behalf of knockout basis one fixture, very important. Definitely 101% question will come in final exams of +2. So learn this thing, how to draw a fixture on behalf of knockout basis. One thing we will do, 19 teams. If we have 19 teams, how to conduct the tournament? If we have 19 teams, at first byes Next highest power of 2 is after 19, 32. Bys 32 minus 19, it means 13 bys. We have to give formula, you know, next highest power of 2 minus total number of team, we will get the number of bys. Now total number of team 19, we got 13 bys. Now how to divide the teams in upper half, lower half? For upper half, you know, n plus 1 divided by 2. It means 10 team. For lower half, 19 minus 1 divided by 2, 18. 9 teams. 10, 9, 19 teams. We divided in upper half, lower half. By NB minus 1 divided by 2, total number of by 13. 13 minus 1 divided by 2, 12. So 6 bys. For lower half, NB plus 1 divided by 2, total number of by 13. 13 plus 1 divided by 2, 14 divided by 2. So we got 7. 7 or 6, 13. We got total number of by 13. Now we will draw the fixture. Fixture on of 19 team. From here we will start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 18 or 19. Okay, 19 teams. Number of team in upper half, 10. It is upper half, it is lower half. Bys, total number of by 13. Upper half by 6, lower half by 7. Rule, always keep in your mind, first by we will give to the lower team of the lower half. Second by we will give to the first team of the upper half. Third by we will give to the upper team of lower half. Fourth by we will give to the lower team of upper half. It will create confusion. Properly learn this thing. From here we will start. 13 by we have first by, second by, third by, fourth by, fifth by, sixth by, seventh by, eighth by, ninth by, 10th by, 11th by, 11th by, 12th by or 13th by. Even sometime I also got confused when I am drawing this type of picture when number of teams are more. So bys we given first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th or 13. Now bys, you know, number of bys in upper half 6, number of bys in lower half 7. We will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means it is right. Number of bys in lower half 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now we will draw the fixture. Round, you know, 19 teams are there. 32. So 32 we count 2, 2, 2 and 2, 2 to 4 to 8, 16 and 32. Or we will count this 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means 5 round. We will count the 2's. Okay, now here will be first round. 4 play with 5, 6 play with 7, 14 play with 15. 3 that matches will be there in first round. Or one more thing also keep in your mind, sometimes this type of question will come. They will give this type of question in MCQs, like if we are make a fixture of 19 team, so how many match will be there in first round? The person who have knowledge about this, so through reasoning he will give the answer that 3 match will be there. But the person don't know, like don't having a problem solving state of mind, he will draw this much fixture till here, he will do the work, then he will give the answer of that MCQs, that 3 matches. Okay, these type question also come, chances are there. Okay, now here second round team, this will play with this, this will play with this, this will play with this, or this will play with this. 11 will play with 12, 13 will play with which will win from 14 or 15, 16 or 17, 18 or 19. Now third round, this. Now fourth round, semi-final done, it is quarter, it is semi. Fifth round, here that will be winner. 5 round, first, second, third, fourth or fifth. Fifth round final will be there. So 5 round will be there, or through this method we declare winner. Or one more thing, when you are going to draw this type of picture, always like there is a match 1 and 2, which team won the match, always write here, like 2 win, 3 or 4, 3 win, 6 or 7, 6 win. Here 8 directly by is there, 9 or 10, we will tell 9 win the match. Or here 8 or 6, here 6 win. 11 or 12, 11, 13 or 14, match is there, 14. 16 or 17, 16, 18 or 19, 19, like this. Now match will be there 2 or 3, 3 win, 6 or 9, 6 win, 11 or 14, 14 win, 16 or 19, 16 win. Now 3 or 6, 6 win, 14 or 16, 16. Now match is there 16 or 6 or 16, so winner is 16. Which team was there on number of 16, that is winner. So like this you have to draw the fixture, that a examiner or a teacher know about which team is winner through this method. So dear student, for today this much. In next part we will do that cyclic method, and cyclic or more things are there in this chapter. Seeding, about seeding or special seeding we will do in next part. So for today, learn the things from the board about that knockout fixture, like teams, byes, rounds, quarters, how to divide teams in upper half, lower half, how to get byes, how to divide byes in upper half or lower half, or special or important thing, how to give byes to the teams in alternate way, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, like this. Okay, for today this much. We'll meet you in the next part. तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते. Take care of your health.